Good day everyone. So for today's video, we do a tutorial on how to properly fold and insert formal letter into an envelope. The first step we are going to do is fold the bond paper from the bottom like this. And next is fold the upper part. Make sure when you fold the bond paper, it is clear to avoid a double crease. And if the bond paper is even the edges, now fold the A4 using your thumbnail. And also leave about 1 or 2 inches of space so that your letterhead is visible to fold right away as it opens. Make sure there's no air that can enter so that it can insert it into the envelope directly. Now hold this letter using your thumb and also hold the envelope gently. So you start from the bottom and insert it into the envelope. Make sure you watch it clearly to understand how to do it. So that's it. Thank you for watching and I hope that you understand it